You know, every business has one thing in common: a customer service team on the front lines every single day. And let's be honest, right now, we're asking them to do the impossible. But what if we moved past all the hype around AI? What if we talked about real tools that are delivering absolutely staggering results right now, today? That's what we're going to break down: the actual strategies and the hard numbers behind AI in customer service.
And just so we're all on the same page, this entire explainer is pulled directly from Chapter 6 of a tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC.
If you're in support, you know this feeling. It's like you're trying to solve this giant complex puzzle where the pieces are always moving. You need to be fast, but you also have to be empathetic and high quality. You've got to keep customers happy, sure, but you also have to stop your best agents from completely burning out. It feels like you can't win.
I mean, does this sound familiar? You push for speed and suddenly quality takes a nosedive. You focus on giving really thoughtful, detailed replies, and boom, a massive backlog piles up, stressing everybody out. It's just this relentless, exhausting cycle. But what if there was a way to break it? A tool that doesn't make you choose, but actually lifts all three up at the same time? Well, that's exactly where AI is stepping in. Okay, let's get right into it. The first place you feel the impact of AI is just pure, raw efficiency. And there's no better example than the biggest bottleneck for most teams, that dreaded email queue, right? It's just this fire hose of messages that never, ever stops, and it pretty much sets the stress level for the entire day.
So, on the left, that's the old way. That's reality for so many agents, just drowning in emails, manually digging for answers, typing out every single word from scratch. But on the right, well, that's the new workflow. It's night and day. The agent gets an instant, clear summary of the issue and a fully drafted, on-brand reply. Their job completely changes from being a typist to being an editor, where they add that critical human touch and then hit send. And the result of that one shift? A 67% reduction in the average time it takes to draft a response. Let that sink in. What used to take a full 10 minutes of hunting and pecking now takes just a little over 3. To put that in perspective, that's like giving every single agent 2 or 3 extra hours back in their day. Every single day.
And all that saved time, it directly translates into a 34% increase in how many emails an agent can handle. Now, the crucial thing here is this: it isn't about making people work harder. It's the absolute definition of working smarter. You've taken away the boring, repetitive grunt work so they can focus their brain power on actually solving the customer's problem.
So what does this all add up to? Get this. It delivered a 23-to-1 return on investment. And that was just in the first quarter. How is that even possible? Well, it's actually simple math. You've got the direct labor savings from agents handling more, plus the massive financial upside from keeping more customers, which of course is what happens when you give them faster, better service.
But let's keep building on this, because true efficiency isn't just about going faster. It's about eliminating repetitive work entirely. Just think about all those tickets asking the same simple questions over and over and over. This workflow basically turns your agent's expertise into a 24/7 self-service machine. The AI spots the common questions, helps draft a help article based on your best agent's answer, and then the agent just gives it a quick final polish.
And the impact? By doing this for just their top 10 most common issues, teams saw a 43% drop in tickets about those topics. Just like that, hundreds of tickets a week just disappear. That frees up your team to focus on the really complex, tricky problems where that human touch is absolutely essential.
Now, this is where things get really interesting. We're moving beyond just making agents faster and into making them fundamentally better at their jobs. Imagine you have a brand new agent, maybe just a few weeks in, and they get hit with a super technical problem that would normally have to go straight to a senior engineer. This is where AI stops being an efficiency tool and becomes a superpower.
So instead of just immediately escalating, the agent now has an AI assistant, like a co-pilot. It helps them diagnose the problem, suggests the most likely causes, and spits out clear step-by-step instructions for them to give the customer. This one workflow boosted first contact resolution from 58% all the way to 81%, and we all know that is a total game changer. Solving an issue on the first try is how you build loyalty for life.
But you know, expertise isn't just technical, it's emotional. When things get heated, even the best agents can sometimes struggle to find the right words. Here, AI acts like a real-time coach, kind of whispering empathetic phrases in their ear. For the customer, it's the difference between feeling like you're fighting a company and feeling like you finally have an advocate on your side.
And you can see the impact right here in black and white. The success rate for calming down an upset customer and actually solving their problem jumped from 64% to an incredible 89%. Just imagine turning a conversation that was headed for a 1-star review into a 5-star thank you. That's the power of supporting your agent's emotional intelligence.
Okay, so now let's zoom out a bit. In today's world, if you can't support customers in their own language, you're not just creating an inconvenience, you're leaving a massive amount of business on the table. But hiring native speakers for every single market has always been crazy expensive and almost impossible to scale.
Well, this is where AI just completely changes the game. One team used AI translation to go from supporting 3 languages to 12, practically overnight. They cut their need for specialized language hires by 70%. And the key is it's not just basic machine translation. It's a workflow where the AI provides a solid draft and a human team member does a quick review for nuance, ensuring a 94% accuracy rate.
So let's put this all together, right? We've seen how AI cranks up efficiency, how it amplifies both the technical and the emotional skills of your agents, and how it completely shatters language barriers. When you start combining all of these effects, the business case isn't just strong, it's undeniable.
Now, this is what I love. You can actually see the virtuous cycle in action. Let's just walk through it. That huge drop in email draft time, that immediately starts clearing out your ticket backlog. Then, those new knowledge base articles start reducing your overall ticket volume. And then, the better troubleshooting tools cut down on those expensive technical escalations. See? Each piece feeds the next, creating these compounding positive results.
And it all comes back to this number, a 23-to-1 return on investment. Look, in a world where most business projects are hoping for maybe a 3-to-1 return, this isn't just an improvement, it's a total strategic transformation. This reframes customer service from being a cost center into a powerful engine for growth.
But you know what? Maybe the most important number on here has nothing to do with money. It's about your people. Agent turnover, the one thing that keeps every support leader up at night, it dropped by 31% year over year. Why? Because for the first time, agents felt truly supported. They weren't just being told to handle stress, they were given the tools to actually resolve it. And that leads to a happier, more stable, and ultimately a way more effective team.
So here's the bottom line. The brilliance of your support team, their problem-solving skills, their empathy, their deep product knowledge, that is already your single greatest asset. This was never about replacing that talent. It's about finally unlocking its full potential. So the real question is, isn't it time you gave your team the amplifier they deserve?